Hi, my name is Heaven White, and I'm going to discuss why Synchrony Financial was able to make the Fortune 100 Best Companies to Work For in 2019 with a ranking of 51. Synchrony Financial began as a subsidiary of General Electric in 1932. They were finally able to become separated from General Electric in 2015 and become their own parent company, a huge success for Synchrony. In 2018, they were also able to rank Fortune 100 Best Companies to Work For as a rank of number 44. So they ranked 2 years in a row. Synchrony's CEO is one of the most interesting part of my findings about Synchrony. Synchrony CEO's name is Margaret Keane, and she largely believes in the diversity of a workplace. Keane started on the phones in a call center. She was the daughter of a New York City cop, and she was the first in her family to get a college degree. The reason we know that Synchrony and Keane believe in diversity is because over 60% of all promotions in 2018 were that of diverse workers. Keane stated in an interview with the Fortune 100 interview people for the ranking that she wants to see that number grow and that women become even more a part of the diverse workers that are promoted to higher levels within the company. 60%, that's huge since Synchrony does have over 16,000 employees globally. Some of the also cool things about Synchrony Financial is that they offer medical, dental, vision, life insurance, accidental death insurance, short-term disability, and long-term disability insurances to their employees. They also offer a tuition reimbursement that does come with some type of longevity clause for staying with the company, but if you're looking for a career with Synchrony, it might just be worth it. The vacation, sick, and personal time are also generous and paid time off. As a summary, Synchrony has an interesting history. Their CEO is a unique CEO. Diversity matters to the company, and Synchrony has some great benefits to offer. Here's just a short list of my references, and I hope that you have enjoyed watching this presentation and have a wonderful rest of your day.